How to fix boost unavailable on Facebook page. Go ahead and open your Play Store. So go to Facebook, and you can do that by tapping on the search bar and typing Facebook. So if yours has a update sign where mine says open, go ahead and update your app so it is of the latest version. So the next thing you can do is go to Facebook and long press on it. Go ahead to app info. So click on clear data and clear your cache. Another method is open your Facebook. Go ahead and click on your profile icon and click at this three bar at the very top right here. So at the very bottom, you'll see settings and privacy. Click on that. So go ahead and click on settings. So if you scroll down, you'll see under audience and visibility post. So click on post. And where yours says who can see your future post, go ahead and click on that. So make sure it's on friends or in public. So go out of that and go to this option. So go ahead and add public as an audience option for post, stories, and reels. So click on that. So make sure that it is either on public or on friends when you click on your future post right here, and keep it on public as much as possible, and go ahead and click on save right here. So another thing you can do is go back to your menu and scroll down, and you'll see it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. So you can include your logs and diagnostics in your report or choose not to. So I'm just going to press don't include. So select where you're facing a problem. So I'm just going to click on profile and go ahead and describe the issue, saying I'm not able to boost my post. Please help me to fix this problem as soon as possible. And once you type something, go ahead and click this send button right here, and you should be able to solve it.